Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a review of the EFX Sports Kre Alkalyn EFX Purple Creatine. It's creatine monohydrate, and it is a pH correct creatine monohydrate, so it's been clinically proven, and it's the original purple cap. So this is going to increase your muscle. It says muscle, performance, and strength. And this bottle here is 192 capsules, and it says take 2 capsules 2 times per day. 30 minutes prior to workout and 2 capsules after workout. You don't need to load this creatine. You actually don't really need to load any type of creatine. It's just a kind of way to get you to use more creatine so you buy more and blah, blah, blah. So this per 1 capsule is 750 milligrams of creatine monohydrate, and it's Kre Alkalyn. So it's going to be pH correct, easier to absorb in the body, and it gives you a good effect. And it's a natural health product. Recommended use is increase muscle mass when used in conjunction with resistance training regimen. That's about it. pH correct makes a category of 1. So the lower the pH you get, the less stability it has. The higher the pH, the more stability increases. This is a 12 on a scale of 1 to 14. So it's pretty high on the pH scale. And it's good creatine. I've used this stuff before, and purple caps, I don't know. It's something cool about just throwing back a few purple pills. I don't know, like maybe the D12 song with Eminem back in the day makes me like this a little bit more. But it does work pretty well, and creatine is one of those supplements that's been researched extensively, so you know it does work because there's lots of research out there that suggests it does. And I really like creatine that you don't have to have with a drink. You can just pop these down and go about your day without having to add a powder and all that kind of stuff. And this makes it a lot easier to remember to take too, because whenever I have to mix it in with water, if I'm not really thinking and don't throw it in with my pre-workout, I completely forget to take it. So this stuff, you're not going to forget it because it's purple. You can't forget purple. So